New Char-Broil Performance Gas Grills feature a sleek design, long-term durability, and quality cooking performance. The stainless steel burners can be easily adjusted to deliver high heat or low temperatures and emit flame from the top for even cooking and added durability. Simply push the electronic ignition to light your burners. Keep track of the preheat status and monitor the inside temperature of your grill. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates ensure heat retention, are rust-resistant, and easy to clean. The removable porcelain-coated grease pan is easy to clean and resists wear and tear. Char-Broil Performance Gas Grills are available in styles and sizes to meet any budget. Durably constructed, choose from a cart or cabinet. And with 2, 4, 5, and 6 burner grills available, you can count on good times and great tasting food. Made to last, Char-Broil Performance Gas Grills are a durable and stylish choice for all your grilling needs.
The Spirit 2 gas grill was uniquely designed with its fun new colors and innovative iGrill 3 compatibility. The Spirit 2 gas grill comes equipped with the Weber GS4 grilling system. The GS4 grilling system is composed of 4 key components: infinity ignition, burners, flavorizer bars, and grease management system. These 4 components work together to ensure that every aspect of the grilling experience is easy and reliable. The Spirit 2 gas grill is offered in 2 and 3 burner models. The Spirit 2 is compatible with the iGrill 3, an app-connected thermometer that tracks the internal temperature of your food. Simply download the free Weber iGrill app and connect your device to the iGrill. Once your food reaches the desired temperature, an alert will sound on your mobile device telling you that it's time to remove your food from the grill. Porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates retain heat for better sear marks and are easy to clean with a stainless steel grill brush. The sleek open cart design provides additional room and accessibility for grilling tools and accessories. By mounting the gas tank to the outside of the grill, the tank is easier to take on and off and allows you to check the fuel gauge to see how much fuel is left. All Spirit 2 gas grills feature a left side table that conveniently folds down for smaller spaces. Best of all, the Spirit 2 comes with a 10-year, 100% Weber guarantee warranty. With this warranty, every single component of the grill is protected for 10 years. It's the warranty that won't let you down. Whether this is your first, second, or third grill, you're a dedicated barbecue enthusiast, or just starting out, the Spirit 2 gas grill is guaranteed to provide you with years of grilling success and great memories.
The new Dyna-Glo 4-burner open cart LP gas grill with side burner is ideal for showcasing your grilling expertise. This heavy-duty gas grill utilizes 60,000 BTUs over 626 square inches of total cooking area. Its 4 commercial-grade stainless steel burners are durable and resilient for maximum grilling performance. The easy-to-maintain porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grates retain heat for proper searing to lock in food's natural juices. A built-in temperature gauge on the hood indicates when you've reached the perfect heat for optimal cooking execution. The 12,000 BTU stainless steel side burner gives you the additional heating space you need to cook every element of your meal to perfection. Experience the flavors of summer all year long with the reliable build and classic design of the 4-burner open cart gas grill with side burner from Dyna-Glo.
The Big Gas Grill by Camp Chef, the centerpiece of a modular cooking system. The 3-burner stove has removable legs for ease of transport. A unique portable design bestows the ability to cook any meal one can dream up, out in the backcountry and on the back patio. With interchangeable parts like stone-bottom pizza oven and flat-top griddle or barbecue box with cast iron grill. The SPG90 features 3 powerful burners, 90,000 BTU combined power, micro-adjustable heat, as professional chefs demand. A cast iron griddle cooktop or a simple skillet will do for delicious eggs and pancakes, breakfast in the backcountry. Boil, steam, barbecue, deep fry, sear, bake, braise. Camp Chef is the way to cook outdoors.
When the mood to barbecue strikes, don't let lack of space stop you with the Megamaster 2-burner propane gas grill. Perfect for apartment living or wherever outdoor room is in short supply. With a surprising 418 inches of cooking space, you can grill feasts for 2 or more. Equipped with 2 independent stainless steel burners that fire up at the press of a battery-operated ignition button, the burners can supply up to 28,000 BTUs of total flame roasting power. The stainless steel lid features a built-in temperature gauge that takes the mystery out of grilling times. Inside, you'll find a durable cast iron cooking grid. Below the grids, 2 porcelain flame tamers distribute heat, protect the burners from drippings, and turn them into flavorful grilled smoke for that unmistakable grilled taste. To save space, we've added foldable side shelves that conveniently fold away when not in use. Plus, a cart with wheels neatly stores your propane tank and connection. Turn even the smallest outdoor area into your own personal barbecue spot with the Megamaster 2-burner propane gas grill. Megamaster, together made better.
New Char-Broil True Infrared Performance Series gas grills combine our most innovative cooking features with a rugged and durable design. Serve your friends and family food that's truly up to 50% juicier every time, and cooks faster and more consistently than traditional gas or charcoal grills. All thanks to Char-Broil's patented True Infrared cooking system. The special design uses a porcelain-coated grate to capture heat and distribute it evenly, creating intense, radiant heat that cooks food quicker. That even heat makes it easy to tend your food, knowing there are no hot or cold spots across the cooking grates, and any drippings are instantly vaporized. The smoke and steam produced infuses moisture and flavor back into your food. Even better, True Infrared means no flare-ups. The grate design restricts the airflow required to produce flames. It only takes a few seconds of fire to burn your food. Preventing flare-ups truly allows you to cook with confidence. You get all the Char-Broil flavor you love without worrying about getting burned. And our top-ported burners offer precise control and a wide temperature range, allowing you to grill hot and fast on one side and low and slow on the other. Mix up the menu or prepare food for multiple meals, all on the same cooktop. We've been dedicated to outdoor cooking innovation since 1948. Along the way, we've listened to you and learned about the features you need to grill with confidence. Startup is a snap with surefire one-touch electronic ignition. Our lid-mounted temperature gauge lets you know what's going on under the hood. Wide side shelves give you extra space to stay organized, and a high-powered side burner lets you expand your menu, all in one spot. Cleanup is easy. The True Infrared grates protects the firebox from messy food debris and brushes off quickly, and locking casters make the grill easy to move and store. The new Char-Broil True Infrared Performance Series will help you enjoy your next cookout knowing you've got the grill to make it go easy and excellent every time.